work, and I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm actually going to do a roller, like how you do rollers and short hair. This is my first time, but I've also done rollers in the past. These are what I got. I got these today from Ollie's. Oh, sorry about the glare. I do have a mirror here, finally a bigger one, where I can see what I'm doing, plus you guys can see what I'm doing. So, kind of one-on-one on there. If you see bumps here, it's heat rash, plus acne, and all of the otherness. When my body gets sweaty, I either break out in heat rash, or, like, really bad get zits. When my body and face, but it hasn't been too bad on my face so far yet. But these are the Vital So Soon. Their price, like somewhere else's price, was like $4.99, and I got it for 79 cents. I got 4 for under this price, which is crazy. There's 15 pieces. Let's see. Packaging is very nice. I just decided to film this because I thought you guys might want to actually break it open, put it in there. These are what they look like. They have all different sizes of curlers. I'll show you guys the sizes to start out with. This is the biggest, which would go like ear longer pieces. Like for mine, I'd have to go around and actually measure out, like that right here would be a good long piece for me. Because I just want volume usually at the very, very top. That's those, and they do have, oh, that's right guys, they do have clips. So when they're in your hair, you can stretch it and clamp. And they're so easy. I've seen them, and I was like, I have to put those up and do a video. There's this one, which are the medium ones, which I'd do these more, probably, like, you know, the bang area, because I like some waves to my bang area. I wish I had somebody with long hair that actually test the difference. There's one of these, which is the one above the medium one, and then there's the very tiny one. This one would be like for like your very bottom layers to get under there. I don't think they have much smaller. Well, I'm going to get started, and I'm going to put in. I think I'm going to do a little hairspray. I'm just going to use the Salon Selectives. Take off the cap off my nose. A soft teething brush just to smooth down. I also have a regular comb. This is curling cream, which just helps. And also I'm going to break out and get my clips, because we're going to need section right here. I'm going to start off first with applying my curl cream. This is from Nexus, or Nexus I think it is. I'm going to take that much. Rub. Just guide this to my whole head. Either my roots so I can get my best curlifying out of it. Just going to rub. Clean my hands off so they're all slippery. I'm going to use my comb, just comb this out. So it's all nice and combed. My hair is actually almost to my shoulders. Almost. Like I'm getting so excited that it's getting there. If I put my hair towards the center, it will look, my hair's in the middle don't work for me, because this part wants to actually come over, like it's cute. I can pull it off if I really wanted to. It'll probably look cute. Sometimes I will curl my hair like this, and then go ahead and, you know, because it's a lot easier to work with whenever it's in the middle. But I'm not going to do it that way, because I want to just do this too for side part people. I love my side part. I have a very deep cut over here, so that's why I could. Guys, I made it so hard for you guys to understand this, but try not to. It's supposed to be simple. There's how straight your parting can be. I'm going to just start on one side, which is going to be this side. If your hair is not completely wet that you like, you can go ahead and spray it with water. I do have a spray bottle right here. I'm just going to take it and just moisten my hair one more time, just to make sure it's all damp. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take, I think, I'm going to take this one right here. It's about round, probably about an inch. Go ahead and unclip your clippy, and you can hang on to it, or I know some people that I've seen use these will just clip to their shirt because it's a lot easier. And I'm going to just find what parting I want. I big piece. I went wrong before and done a huge piece. Whatever I did, that's like a long time ago when I had longer hair. I took too big a piece. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and smooth all of it out. You can also spray it, especially on your ends. They're not as wet as they need to be because your hair needs to be a good wet consistency for the hair roller to actually do anything. And you want to go back. So you want to start here. Ooh, see? Already getting my... I want to smooth my hair over it. I'm going to try to get every piece nice and tight to my head. Now the trick that I'm going to do is just make it... Make it kind of... I'm actually going to clip it at the very bottom. If it's too wiggly for you, you can bobby pin it. I'm going to add a touch of hairspray. I'll show you all the different ones. I'm going to use the biggest roller next with the shirt. Take your section. Again, not too big. I'm kind of just grabbing up sections that I want and smoothing them out. Okay. Now I'm going to take and those today. Just one of those days. I'm going to hold all my ends over and hook it. And I'm going to put this over here. And you want this part right here is kind of flat. Here, I'll get a little closer. I'm kind of sticking it like that. And now it's nice and secure, and there's a little gap between, but you want that for volume. Actually, it looks very nice. Shockingly, I'll use another last big one. I'm talking about, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh, Jesus, thanks. Can't pull a video today. This bottom piece, when it's arched like that, see how there's a difference between the density. This is the one that you actually need to go at the very underneath part, and then this needs to sit in the inside of it. So it will wrap around. Well, okay. It will wrap around. You see the bottom? It will arc like that. Because this actually will sit and hold your hair and your thing down. Again, clip to your shirt, whatever you need to do. I'm just going to grab chunk, kind of a bigger chunk at the back. Just spray it. Spray my arm. Which I hate when you guys do that. People do that. Okay. Again, actually, I'm trying these ones out because it's been a little while since I've actually used the bristle type ones. Again, fold it and smooth all those ends around. Kind of like that. Smooth it all down. Make sure how your hair goes in. Fold it to the back where it sits. Now take your string. Make sure you have your clip going the right way. Again, I can see. Doing this angle. There we go. And it's nice and secure. Sometimes this band won't stay over. Sometimes it folds, but they're pretty secure. I don't have to worry about it slipping. Right. And now I'm going to work on this section right here. I'm just going to take a medium hook. Flip it. Again, same process on the other side. But you want your sections to go elongated. Like this. You want smooth pieces. You kind of want your pieces to be a little bigger. Just a little big. Twist your ends if you need to. And that's just kind of, your way of prepping them before you go in and style them. Sometimes your ends are like, oh my god, or your hair's used to heat. That's not what mine's used to, is heat. I'm going to just roll it on there. Like that. Now I bought extra ones just because I needed them. Okay. take this one, about half an inch clip. I always lose my comb. Like I put it down somewhere and I lose it. This got missed. Now, I'm going to tell you a good way to do this section is this clip's pointing down. You need to point like this middle section, like these parts of the clip need to go in that way because it'll be a lot easier so you can get in here. Okay. Now you want to go down and grab a section. You can have your sections a little bigger if you want. It all matters to how big you want your curls and how long you're actually wearing them. I'm actually going to wear them probably all night depending. Now again, you want your clip going this way. So you want it hanging off to the side. You're going to want to roll smooth and get all your ends into the bristle. And it's kind of being goofball and being loose. Just get it on over there. Ahead. And pin that bad boy to your head. Get your hairspray. Bam. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this roller here because I want these again to swoop that way. Swoop is such a fun word. Swoop. Swoop. Okay, I'm actually going to go in kind of in a different view on this one. I'm actually going to take it horizontal, like this way, whatever this way is. Whatever this way is. Just make sure you have a clean section. Go in and roll it toward the back. Like this. See? Ah! I'm just throwing it everywhere. And you have your section. Now, if you can't get the hair underneath, then what I like to do is like, kind of grasp it, hold it up, so I can grab my other sections and sit another one under. I'm just going to use another half-inch square section. Take another section off to your side. Now, these pieces, I can stand either one of them, curling them like with a hot tool. Now these are like the bristles, so they actually, I think I have them, like they're kind of like the Velcro type. Make sure I'm still filming. Yeah, I am. I said make sure. Sometimes my camera just likes to misbehave when I'm filming them. Make sure your ends, right here, are curled under. Then you can kind of warp them to what you want them to be. Go ahead. Ow! Oh, boy. There we go. That's nice and snug now. After hit myself with the thing. Okay, now I'm going to do this side. I'll show you, too, how many I actually go through so I can kind of count to show you. Some people might want to know, especially if my hair is thick. If I was doing little sections, I'd probably have them completely go back in different sections because it might be a little simpler. I'm going to take horizontal sections in this way. I'm not doing vertical, not going up and down. Anything on these, just the fact of how I actually want them to lay back here. And if you want, you can kind of like twirl your ends in if you really, really want. This will prevent you having to use a curling iron on your hair all the time. Go. Ahead. This right here. We'll take. This is probably less than half of an inch. Just use my fingers. Spray that a little bit. I hate doing that because then it takes it longer to dry. But okay, now by my ear here, I'm actually going to take it down. So I'm actually going vertical on this side because I need to get the ear part. Then take your section, swirl, swirl it. Okay. And there you go. You don't have like your little fun balls. So I call mine. Smooth out everything, and now you're halfway done with this side. Now you gotta start on this both side. So I'm going to take little clip. Most of this section down here will be little clips. Just gonna how tiny some of my pieces are. Just gonna take my brush to smooth out all my pieces. Now again, you can do bigger sections, smaller sections. You don't have to do, you know, these are kind of bigger sections sometimes some people will take. I was going to be a little bit of a long video because I'm kind of demonstrating too how long it would take when I'm talking as well, so you've got to take a little bit of that in consideration. Okay, I'm actually going to do one long piece right here. Just like this. Again, you're not going to have nothing facing, like nothing facing actually your face this way. You want everything behind, but going away. Nothing going towards. Now this, what I would do to prevent it from poking all the others is go around and have it actually come down like this. As you can see here, I have it come down just so I'm not having no other clips budging this way. Take another clip. Now you take your horizontal, vertical, this section. Spray it. And that's the motto whenever you're doing rollers, is make sure everything's smooth. Make sure you have a little bit of damp hair to wet depending on how tight you want your curls. I'm going to go in and just slightly, this one, I don't want going, touching my ear because that will bug me to death. So I'm going to clip can I have it? Oh, that one's messed up now. Oh. See when you're talking, kind of. I just want to have it go towards my ear. Just because of the fact. Now, if you don't want it to touch, you can always try to, like, you know, bobby pin it, which I have a bobby pin. I'm just going to grab the section and stick that clip. Now, if that, like, is going to bug you with it being like that, just take your hair clip, your bobby pin, and kind of hold it in place. You also have some of them propping those up as well. Now it's just to the lower ends, which are a pain in the butt, I'll tell you why. Because those are your, like, your most, like, you know, you have, like, the little layers. Some people, well, I have way more left in this one, so I definitely have to use more than 15 on my forehead. Again, depending on how small, you might need more. I'm going to go this way and wrap around. So, horizontal sections. Now, you don't have to go horizontal, but I personally, now, if you have smaller layers, you might want to take off some bit off now, because I don't want this bugging my ear. I'm actually going to take it and section it on back here. Now, if I feel like I'm having little bits start to melt, I will spray. Hopefully that way makes them hold. A few more sections, guys, and we'll be completely done. The section's a little bit dry at the end, so spray it. Whew. Grab up. This one's a little bit harder. These back pieces are harder. Now this one, yeah, my camera stopped. They can tell me that I'm making a long video, but I'll probably end up making this a little shorter, but this is a lot of info and, you know, to take in to some people that are wanting the perfect rolls done. I'll do a video on taking them out tomorrow morning, so it's just you really have to make sure that you're getting all your shorter pieces to do this, because trust me, you're not gonna want to have pieces in the end that, you know, are all funky looking. I want to cut this into 2 sections. So what I'll do is, I almost think I'm just going to section it in half and have this part go up. And I want the clip to actually go down so I can clip it up. So you don't want to smooth your sections. Roll. Hold your head if you have to. Sometimes it's a little easier. This is a really easy hairstyle. If you have kids or, you know, a professional job, because you can really do this with having a professional job. Because I think it'd be easy and timeless to do. Take your other hair clip and go ahead and, okay, again, make sure this is down. This is just a baby section. I'm just going to kind of make sure it's all tucked in underneath there. I'm just going to actually have this piece just kind of come down. I'm just going to kind of clip it underneath there. I'm going to take my hairspray and just kind of give it a good mist. Maybe a little hairspray, but we gotta make sure it's all holding in. And if you feel like you're gonna have pieces kind of, you know, too falling out or, you know, just kind of bugging you, you can always clip them down. Just take a bobby pin. I like the longer bobby pins. This one is the problem child right now, so put that in. It looks like we're all good to go. You can also put like a thing over top of your head or one of those blow dryers, and it will work. Again, I use the Salon Selectives hairspray, Dollar Tree, which works fabulous. Nexus curl bender, which usually works pretty well. For me, I feel like I have this spot. So if I have a mixed spot, I will just take a bobby pin and kind of fill around until I fill that piece. Take my bobby pin and stick that bobby pin in my hair just to kind of hold that piece up so I can actually get good. Again, Nexus curl bender is really good. And then you'll need a spray bottle and a comb to comb everything through. That's what I used. And then some type of bristle brush to smooth your curl. And you'll need some of these. I'll try to keep them in a bag, like plastic one, just to keep everything in there. Like that. Alright, let's try to clean up. Just so I know everything is tidied up. Into the floor, put it in the trash, and of course have your drinking water. It is dehydrated. And I'll show you the mirror that I got. Hope I don't blind you. But there you go. That's the mirror that we use now to film. I got it from Dollar Tree actually for $1. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll show you tomorrow how to remove it and what it will look like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Bye!